Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about the Tokyo Olympic Sports 2021. About sport climbing. Sport climbs makes its Olympic debut with athletes winning gold thanks to the power and strength in their fingertips. Overview. Sport climbing takes the challenges of scaling steep ascents to a whole new levels. Using a range of hand and foot holds of different shapes and sizes, climbers put their skills and strength into practice on a vertical wall. The wall may feature varying angles of either positive or negative sections. The sport will make its Olympic debut at Tokyo 2020 and will feature three disciplines: speed, bouldering and lead. Speed climbing pits two climbers against each other, both climbing a route on 15-meter wall. In bouldering, athletes scale a number of fixed routes on a 4.5-meter wall in a specified time. In lead, athletes attempt to climb as high as possible on a wall measuring over 15 meters in height within a specified time. At the games, each climber will compete in all three disciplines and the final rankings will be determined by multiplying the placement of each discipline with the athletes achieving the lowest scores winning medals. In some disciplines, climbers attach safety ropes, however no other equipment is permitted and competitors must climb using only their bare hands and climbing shoes. The sport requires strength, flexibility and skill together with careful advanced planning. The first ever medalist with all poses this unique combination of physical and mental capabilities and decisiveness. Event program. Combined men and women. Essence of the sport. A variety of techniques are required for success in the combined formats of sport climbing at Tokyo 2020. Speed: two climbers secure safety ropes to themselves and attempt to scale a 15-meter high wall sets at an angle of 95 degrees faster than their opponent on identical routes. Winning times for men's events tend to be around the 5 to 6 second mark, while women's events are usually won in around 7 or 8 seconds. A false start results in instant disqualification. Bouldering. In bouldering, athletes climb as many fixed routes as they can within 4 minutes on a 4.5 high wall equipped with safety mats. The routes vary in difficulty and climbers are not permitted to practice climbing them in advance. When a climber grabs the final holds at the top of a route with both hands, they are deemed to have completed it. Climbers tackle the wall without safety ropes and can try a route again if they fall during their initial attempt. The wall used for bouldering presents a range of challenges with overhangs and some holes so small that they can only be held by the fingertips. The climbers must plan each move carefully, thinking about which hand and foot to place in the next holds, while constantly being aware of the time limit. The physical and mental dexterity required for success is extraordinary. Lead involves athletes attempting to climb as high as they can on a wall measuring more than 15 meters in height. Within 6 minutes, the climbers use safety ropes and attach the rope to quick draws along the route. When a climber attaches their rope to the top quick draw, they have completed the climb. If a climber falls, the height attained is recorded. There are no reclimbs. If two or more athletes complete the climb or reach exactly the same height, the fastest to do so is declared the winner. This is a demanding whole body activity and dynamic climbing techniques are greatly important. So friends, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.